All right, you guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to tie a beaded bracelet. But before I get into it, I want to get into this bead board that I got from Amazon. I'm so obsessed with this board. There's so many different bead boards on Amazon you can choose from, but I definitely love this one. So this is my new babe. All right. So now I'm going to show you guys how to tie this bracelet. So I already cut my string and have my beads threaded on my string. So now I'm going to take each end and then I'm going to bring the camera up a little bit closer so you guys can see how I tie it. All right, dreamers. So here you can see that I'm taking the string from the left side and going under the right. And then what I'm going to do from there, I'm going to pull the string all the way down to the beads to make it tight and also tug on it to make it tight as well. Now, after tucking on it, I'm going under the string again, right under the left or left under right, and I'm going to go under 3 and 4 times. So after I go up under it 3 and 4 times, I'm going to pull it back down again, down to the beads, pull it tight, and also tug on it so it can be tight enough so it won't unravel, and it creates the surgeon knot. Let me know down in the comments of what technique you use to tie your knots for your bracelets. I'm so curious to know. But this technique for me actually works. And I actually got it off someone else. I think I was doing like YouTube video searches, like different ways to tie. And I tried so many different ties, but this one works effectively. So after you tie your knot, you're going to cut off the excess string off your bracelet. And then you're going to pull on it and tug on it to make sure that the knots is tight. You can add glue if you would like. That is on your preference. And there you have tying your knots. All right, so you guys, that's how you tie the knots on your bracelet. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments how you guys tie your knots. Thanks for hanging out with me, dreamers. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.